Welcome back to AgriTech Smart. Today, we're diving deep into the enchanting world of lilies, one of the most beloved ornamental flowers worldwide. Whether gracing home gardens or adding a splash of color to floral arrangements, lilies require meticulous care during their harvest to retain their charm. In this video, we will take you through the entire journey, from determining the perfect harvest time to advanced post-harvest processes. If you're passionate about floriculture or just love lilies, stay tuned. Lilies belong to the genus Lilium and are cherished for their vibrant colors, diverse shapes, and sweet aroma. These perennials are a cornerstone of the ornamental flower industry, with popular varieties including Asiatic, Oriental, and trumpet lilies. Each variety has its own characteristics and harvesting requirements, but all share one common need: precision in timing and handling. The success of lily farming hinges on proper care during growth and harvest, ensuring that their blooms remain fresh and appealing for as long as possible. Lily cultivation and harvesting are intricate processes that require skill, timing, and care. From the initial planting of bulbs to the delicate handling of blooms during harvest, every step contributes to the beauty and longevity of these iconic flowers. This comprehensive guide explores both the foundational practices for growing lilies and the advanced techniques involved in harvesting them for commercial and ornamental purposes. The journey of lily cultivation begins with creating an optimal environment for the plants. Choosing the right variety is crucial, as lilies differ in their growth requirements and market appeal. Asiatic lilies, with their vibrant colors and hardy nature, and Oriental lilies, known for their large, fragrant blooms, are popular choices among growers. Preparing the soil is the next vital step. Lilies thrive in well-drained, loamy soil enriched with organic matter. To promote healthy root development, the soil should be tilled to a depth of 12 to 15 inches. Incorporating compost or well-rotted manure enhances fertility, while maintaining a slightly acidic to neutral pH 6.0 to 7.0 ensures optimal growth conditions. Planting lily bulbs is a task that requires precision. Typically planted in early spring or fall, bulbs should be buried 4 to 6 inches deep, with 8 to 12 inches of space between them. This spacing allows each plant sufficient room to grow without competition for nutrients or sunlight. After planting, the soil is gently compacted and thoroughly watered to ensure the bulbs settle into their new environment. Watering is a critical aspect of lily care. While these plants require consistently moist soil, overwatering can lead to bulb rot. Drip irrigation systems are ideal for delivering water efficiently while keeping foliage dry, thus minimizing the risk of fungal infections. Nutrient management is equally important. A slow-release fertilizer with a balanced NPK ratio, applied during planting and periodically throughout the growing season, supports robust growth and vibrant blooms. However, over-fertilization should be avoided, as it can lead to lush foliage at the expense of flowers. As lilies grow taller, providing physical support becomes essential to prevent stems from bending or breaking. Stakes or natural supports such as fences can be used, with soft ties ensuring that the stems remain unharmed. Lilies are susceptible to pests like aphids and lily beetles, which can damage foliage and flowers. Regular inspections, coupled with organic treatments like neem oil or insecticidal soap, help keep infestations under control. Avoiding overhead watering, ensuring good air circulation, and practicing crop rotation are effective strategies for disease prevention. In areas with extreme weather, greenhouses offer a controlled environment for lily cultivation. With regulated temperatures and automated irrigation systems, greenhouses allow growers to meet year-round market demands while minimizing environmental risks. Harvesting lilies at the right time is a delicate balance between ensuring peak bloom quality and preserving vase life. The ideal moment to harvest is when the buds are fully formed and show color but have not yet opened. This stage guarantees maximum freshness while giving the flowers enough time to fully bloom after they've been cut. The harvesting season for lilies typically spans from late spring to early autumn, depending on the variety and regional climate. Early mornings are the best time to harvest, as the flowers are naturally hydrated and less stressed during this cooler part of the day. Harvesting during this time minimizes damage and helps maintain the flower's structural integrity. Preparation is a critical step in ensuring a smooth and efficient lily harvest. A day before harvesting, the plants should be thoroughly irrigated to maximize hydration in the stems and buds. This practice enhances the flower's freshness and durability. Equally important is the readiness of tools and storage spaces. Sharp, sterilized pruners or floral knives are essential for making clean cuts that prevent damage to the plant. Meanwhile, cool storage areas with optimal humidity levels should be prepared in advance to immediately house the harvested lilies, preserving their quality. The act of harvesting lilies requires care and precision. When cutting, the stem should be severed about 2 inches above the soil line. This practice leaves enough of the plant intact to allow photosynthesis, which sustains the bulb for future flowering cycles. During the cutting process, it's essential to ensure that at least 2 or 3 mature leaves remain on the stem. These leaves continue to nourish the bulb and help maintain the plant's overall health. Once cut, the lilies should be handled with extreme care to avoid bruising the buds or damaging the stems. Post-harvest care plays a significant role in maintaining the freshness and beauty of lilies. Immediately after harvesting, the flowers are cleaned to remove any soil or debris. They are then placed in hydrating solutions containing preservatives to slow bacterial growth and extend vase life. Cooling is another essential step in the post-harvest process. Lilies should be stored in pre-cooled rooms set to temperatures between 2 to 4 degrees Celsius. This low-temperature environment slows the flower's respiration rate, keeping them fresh for a longer period. Proper packaging is crucial for transporting lilies to markets without compromising their quality. After the post-harvest process, the lilies are bundled into groups of 10 to 12 stems. Care is taken to align the buds and protect them during handling. Moisture-retentive wraps or cellophane are used to maintain humidity levels around the flowers. These bundles are then packed into ventilated boxes to prevent overheating during transportation. This meticulous process ensures that the lilies reach their destination in pristine condition. Like any agricultural practice, lily harvesting comes with its challenges. Pests such as aphids and thrips are a constant threat to the flowers. Regular spraying with eco-friendly pesticides helps to manage these pests without harming the plants or the environment. Diseases like botrytis blight and bulb rot can also impact the quality of lilies. Good air circulation in the growing fields and proper watering practices are vital in mitigating these issues. Additionally, unpredictable weather conditions, such as excessive rain or heat, can pose challenges, making greenhouses a viable option for controlled growth. Lily harvesting is a meticulous process that combines artistry and science. From identifying the right stage of bloom to leveraging advanced tools and techniques, every step plays a crucial role in ensuring these flowers reach their full potential. With proper care during and after harvest, lilies can brighten homes and markets with their timeless beauty and fragrance. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of lilies. Don't forget to subscribe to AgriTech Smart for more insights into the fascinating field of agricultural innovations. See you in the next video.